Weather is very hot and sunny. It seems that the winter season is ending day by day, and winter season normally looks like very foggy, and sun is seen very rarely. But day after day, we are staying at Bogura now. And sun is providing scorching heat, and weather is very hot. We can see sun rays at the background of us, and we love this season. And we normally use warm clothes at the winter season, but as the sun is shining very heavily, we don't use warm clothes, and rarely we somebody use t-shirt and somebody use shirt for the season. We are very happy getting this sunny morning. Thank you very much.